Last Wolf Howls. You better listen. That ain't just a sound in the dark. That's the earth saying goodbye. The moon hangs cracked over timber and stone, a cold black sky where the stars used to roam. The rivers run quiet like they're holding their breath, and the cedar trees bow to the shadow of death. No boots on the trail, no smoke from the hill, no child in the valley, no hand on the till, just dust in the doorway, ash in the rain, and a whole world wondering who's left to blame. Mother Nature screams through the roots and the reeds, through the bones of the mountains and the blood of the trees. Father Time stands still with his hands on the wheel, watching mankind vanish like a wound that won't heal. When the last wolf howls, the whole earth cries, thunder kneels down under blood-red skies. When the last wolf howls, the oceans mourn, the wind forgets its name, and the sun ain't reborn. Mother Nature screams, Father Time stands still, and mankind is no more on that final hill. Howls. There's rust on the plow and grass through the road, an old church bell cracked where the wildflowers grow. The cities are shells with their windows blown wide, like empty-eyed giants that laid down and died. No engines are running, no flags in the air, no prayers from the proud ones, no gold left to spare, just the buzzards circling where the kingdoms fell, and the silence keeps ringing like a funeral bell. Mother Nature screams in the fire and flood, in the fields we poison, in the rivers of mud. Father Time stands still at the edge of the flame, with a book full of endings and nobody's name. When the last wolf howls, the whole earth cries, thunder kneels down under blood-red skies. When the last wolf howls, the oceans mourn, the wind forgets its name, and the sun ain't reborn. Mother Nature screams, Father Time stands still, and mankind is no more on that final hill. We cut down the forest, we blackened the stream, we sold off tomorrow for a rich man's dream. We laughed at the warnings, we danced with the flame, and cried at the ashes like we didn't know our name. Now the deer walk the highway, the roots split the stone, and the wolf sings the truth to a world overthrown. Ain't no crown on an empty throne. Ain't no king when the kingdom's gone. Ain't no man left to say he was right. When the dark eats the dawn, when the last wolf howls, the whole earth cries, thunder kneels down under blood-red skies. When the last wolf howls, the oceans mourn, the wind forgets its name, and the sun ain't reborn. Mother Nature screams, Father Time stands still, and mankind is no more on that final hill. When the last wolf howls, there won't be nobody left to howl back.